Hi, this is Mrs. Shendel, and I'm going to walk you through how to find test ebooks through our Media Center website. What you want to do is first start at the Clifton High School website. You want to then click on the Media Center tab towards the right-hand side. This will take you to the Media Center's website. You will then scroll down and find the blue Destiny button that will take you to our library's catalog. You will then be directed to a list of all the schools in our district. You want to click on Clifton High School. You will then be taken to this main page. You want to first log in before you do any kind of searching. The login button is located on the top right hand side. What you want to do, instead of typing in your account, you want to sign in with Google using the link on the left hand side. Your Google account should already be linked in your Chromebook, so you should be able to just simply click on your Clifton School's email address. However, if that's not an option, you are more than welcome to type in your email, and then your password should be the same thing you use for your Chromebooks. To make sure that you are properly logged in, just make sure that you see your name on the top right hand side. You will then click on Catalog to start your search. For this particular instance, because we are all remote, you want to make sure that you click on ebook from the material type list. So make sure that electronic book is listed with material type. You can then conduct your search. For this particular video, I want to make sure that you see what we do have available. So instead of typing in AP or SAT or ACT, I'm just going to simply type in test and then click enter. This is going to shoot back a results list of every test book that we have available as an ebook. So as you can see, we have about 48 titles. And you should notice that each title has a little blue E icon underneath it. That just stands for ebook. So when you're scrolling through, you can see we have AP books, we have general test prep books, we have ACT books. And then if you go on to the second page, because it's alphabetically listed, you will notice that we also have SAT books, and we even have stuff for the TOEFL if that's something you need as well. Um, we have PSCT books, so the list goes on and on. You would just simply peruse and see what best suits your needs. When you find a book that is interesting to you, all you have to do to check it out is click the open button next to it. So as long as you're logged in to our catalog, this book will only be accessible by you. So when you do log out, it does get returned. However, you can always bookmark certain pages, and that will keep a list of where you left off. And it usually does open up the book again if you do check it out again to the last spot you were reading on your screen. So the way you use this is once it's loading, and do be patient because depending on your internet access, it might take a while since some of these books are quite thick in volume. You will then be able to toggle through the pages digitally using the arrows on the left or right hand side of your screen. So as you can see, there's a gray bar that appears when you go to the edge of your screen, and you can click back and forth and go through the pages. You can also, what I usually do is find the table of contents in the beginning of the book, and you can just click on whatever section you want to see. So, for example, let's say I want to focus on math today. I would simply click on chapter 3, let it load, and then it should take you to the first page of that chapter or section. And there you have it. So, like I said, as long as you're logged in and you have the book, it will be checked out to you. But do keep in mind that it does get returned once you log out. But like I said, it will save where you left off. If you have any other questions, please feel free to email me. Again, this is Mrs. Shandul. Have a great day.